Example 2.34. The 13th term of an AP is 3 and the sum of first 13th term is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of first 21 terms. So what is given? The 13th term of an AP is 3 and the sum of first 13 terms is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of first 21 terms. So very simple one. It is a difference between 13th term and the sum of first 13 terms. 13th term and sum of first 13 terms. If you know the difference, only you can solve. So first one, solution. Let us write solution. So what is given? In an AP, the 13th term, 13th term is T13 is 3 is given, and so given T13 is equal to 3 and sum of first 13th term is S13. T13 is equal to 3, S13 is equal to 234. These are the two given informations. Our question is to find the common difference. What is common difference? D and the sum of first 21 terms, that is S21. So D and S21 we need. So D and A we have to find. If we find A and D only, you can find S21. So let us find by given the information. So we have to change this to informations in terms of A and D. So we know that in an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We know that in an AP, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The same way, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So let us take T13 is equal to 3 implies, what is T13? A plus 12D is equal to 3. Why 12D? Because A plus n minus 1 into D is the Tn formula. Here n is equal to 13. So 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So A plus 12D is equal to 3. Let us take it is equation number 1. Now S13 is equal to 234 is given. So what is S13? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is a formula. So here n is equal to 13. So 13 by 2 into 2A plus 13 minus 1 is equal to 12D is equal to 234. So we can bring this 13 by 2 to the other hand side so that the two equations will have same, or we can first take 2 outside and cancel. Since here by 2 is there, all the numbers are even numbers, so we can take 2 outside. So 13 by 2 into take 2 outside into 2, 2A will become 1A, 12D will become 6D is equal to answer 234. Now 2 cancel. We need this equation. So bring this 13 to other hand side, which implies A plus 6D is equal to 234 divided by 13. So cancel by 13 the table. 113 is 13. So 1 remaining 10. 10 104. 8 13s are 104. So answer 113 is 13. 18 13s are 234. So right, this implies A plus 6D is equal to 18. Let us take equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1. A plus 12D is equal to 3. A plus 6D is equal to 18. So write equation number 1 below. A plus 12D is equal to 3. Subtract the two equations. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Plus A minus A. Cancel. 6D minus 12D is equal to minus 6D. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. So this from equation number 2 minus equation number 1 implies. So we need the value of D. So which implies D is equal to 15 by minus 6. Both numbers are divisible by 3. These 2 3s are, this 5 3s are. So answer d is equal to minus 5 by 2. So first question, common difference. So answer, common difference. D is equal to answer minus 5 by 2. Second question, find the sum of first 21 terms. To find this, we need the value of a. So take a is equal to in equation number 1. So substitute, take t in equation number 1, substitute d is equal to minus 5 by 2 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies, what is equation number 1? A plus 12d is equal to 3. So a plus 12 into d is equal to minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. Now we can cancel 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 30 and 12, 6 2s are 12. So a plus into minus minus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 3. We need the value of a. So a is equal to, this minus 30 will become plus 30. So 30 plus 3. 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. So a is equal to 33. So a is equal to 33, d is equal to minus 5 by 2. Our question is sum of first 21 terms. So sum of first 21 terms na n is equal to 21. Sn is equal to, what is Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So which is equal to S21. So n means 21 by 2 into a is equal to 33. So 2 into 33 plus 21 minus 1 is equal to 20 into d. D is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 divided by 2. So close the bracket. Now which is equal to, here we cannot cancel. So let us write 21 by 2. 2 into 33, 66. 1 2 is 2. 10 2s are 20. 10 into 5, 50. Plus into minus minus, so minus 50. Now which is equal to 21 by 2. Plus minus now we have to subtract. 66 minus 50 is equal to 16. 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. Now we have to multiply. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. So answer 168. What is this? Yes, 21. Therefore, we have tried, finally we have tried. What we have tried? Therefore, common difference is minus 5 by 2 and sum of first 21 terms is, what is the answer? 168. This is a problem, very important 5-mark question. So see, the 13th term of AP is given, sum of first 13 term is given. We have to find the common difference and sum of first 21 terms. 13th term is 3. Sum of first 13 term means S13. So with this formula a plus 12d, this formula is 13 by 2 into 2a plus 12d. So from this we have to bring a and d மட்டும் வச்சுட்டு equation create பண்ணனும். Let us take equation number 1. இதுல அந்த தேவையில்லாத term அங்க கொண்டு போகும்போது வெளியில 2 எடுத்துட்டு கேன்சல் பண்ணா 30 நாங்க போகும்போது டிவைட் பண்றோம். So a plus 60 is equal to 18 வரும். அல்லது இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு இத 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி கூட பண்ணலாம். 2a plus 24d வரும். ஏதோ ஒன்னு பண்ணீங்கன்னா a இதுல d கிடைச்சிரும். d தான் காமன் டிஃபரன்ஸ். இப்போ d யோட வேல்யூவை ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 1 இல்ல ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்பர் 2 ல அப்ளை பண்ணினா a கிடைக்கும். அந்த a யும் d யும் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து sn ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணா s21 கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். where n is equal to 21. So this is an important problem. Solve and work out. If you can't understand, you can ask me or you can watch the video once again. Example 2.36. So another easiest 5-mark question. Sometimes they will ask it as a 2-mark question. Example 2.36. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. Sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. So first one, you should know what are the natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. Then only we can find the sum. So let us write the numbers divisible by 7 between 300 and 600. What is the first number? We don't know. Let us take the first number between 300 and 600. 301. So 301, or you can take the first number 300 itself. Take 300, divide this number by 7. 4 7s are 28, remaining 220. 2 7s are 14, remaining 6. So we have remaining 1. So if you add 1, you will get 7. So the next number 301 is the number divisible by 7. Since it has remaining 6, if you add 1, it will become 7. So if you add 1, 301 is the next number divisible by 7. The same way, the last number 600. So before 600, which number is divisible by 7? We have to find. So we know that 8 7s are 56, remaining 4, 40. 5 7s are 35, remaining 5. So the number 600 has 5 extra. So if you subtract this 5 from this number, 595 will be the last number divisible by 7. So you have to understand this. You have to take the first number and find the remainder 6. If you add 1 with this number, the next number will be divisible by 7. The same way, you have to take the last number and find the remainder. You have to subtract this remainder with this number. The previous number is 595. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எந்த நம்பர்ஸ் டிவைட் ஆகும்னா 595. Therefore, first number 301, last number 595. Therefore, we can write the natural numbers. The natural numbers divisible by 7 between 300 and 600 are. The first number is 301. Next we can add 7. Since it's divisible by 7, 308. Next 315, comma, dot, 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 comma. Last number is 595. So these are the natural numbers divisible by 7 between 300 and 600. Our question is to find the sum. Therefore, sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7 is அப்படினா என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to write all the numbers as sum. 301 plus 308 plus 315 plus dot dot dot. The last term is 595. So here we must know what is A. A is the first term. What is first term? 301. And D. In this model question, D is the divisible number. Which number is dividing 7? So D is the divisible number. So 7 is the common difference. If you subtract 308 and 301, answer is 7. 315 minus 308, answer is 7. So in this, since the numbers are divisible by 7, D is the number which is dividing. And the last term is given. Last term is 595. We want the sum of natural numbers. Now, first you should know what is the number of terms. So here n is equal to formula L minus A by D plus 1. So this is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Now what is L? L is equal to 595 minus A. A is equal to 301 divided by D. D is equal to 7 plus 1. So first we have to simplify the bracket, which is equal to 595 minus 301. So 595, we have to write 595, 301. 5 minus 1, 4, 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So it is 294. So 294 divided by 7. plus 1, which is equal to, what is 294 divided by 7? 1 7 is 7. 29 means 4 7s are 28. Remaining 1 14. 2 7s are 14. So 42 plus 1 is equal to 43. So answer n is equal to 43. Therefore, n is equal to 43. But our problem is to find the sum. Therefore, sum of s n is equal to formula n by 2 into a plus l. So here n is equal to 43. So s 43 is equal to 43 divided by 2 into a. A is equal to 301 plus l. L is equal to 595. So which is equal to 43 divided by 2 into, just add the value, 5 plus 1 6, 0 plus 9 9, 3 plus 5 8. So we have to divide by 2. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. So answer 448 2s are 896. We have to multiply the two numbers. So 448 multiplied by 43. 3 8s are 24, remaining 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 14, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 4 8s are 32, remaining 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19, remaining 1. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Add the value 4 6 12, remaining 1. 8 plus 1 9 1. The answer is 19,264. So answer which is equal to 19,264. What is this? S43. Therefore answer, final answer, S43 is equal to 19,264. This is the sum of the natural numbers between 300 and 600 which are divisible by 7. So what is first step? We have to write the numbers which are divisible by 7 between the numbers, and we have to find n using the formula L minus A by D plus 1. Then we have to write the formula Sn. Since last term is given, formula n by 2 into A plus L. Then apply the value here and simplify. This answer is 19,264. Very, very simple problem and very important question. Since it's very simple, they will ask it as an important question. Example 2.39. The sum of first n, 2n and 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2 and S3 respectively. Prove that S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. It's a very, very important 5-mark question. What is given? The sum of first n, sum of first 2n, sum of first 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2, S3. Then prove that S3, that means sum of the first 3n terms equal to 3 into sum of first 2n terms minus sum of first n terms. The left hand side equal to right hand side prove pannu. This is the question. Very, very simple and very important 5-mark questions. They may ask often in the examinations. So let us write the given details. So given, what is given? The sum of first n term is S1. The sum of first 2n term is S2. The sum of first 3n term is S3. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So given S1 is the sum of first n terms, that is Sn, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The same, but S2 is sum of first 2n terms, which is equal to 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. S3 is equal to sum of first 3n terms, which is equal to 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Now what we have to prove that? S3 equal to 3 times S2 minus S1. The complicated part is right hand side. So let us take the right hand side, or we can find S2 minus S1 first, then we can multiply 3. So S2 minus S1 is equal to, what is S2? 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus S1 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The next step is very important step, because this is inside, outside 2n by 2, here outside n by 2. The common term is n by 2 is common in the two terms. So we are going to take this n by 2 outside. So when you take n by 2 outside, the first term 2 is remaining. So you have to multiply 2 inside. You have to multiply 2 inside, or you can write the same manner, multiply 2 inside. It is 4a plus 2 into 2n minus 1 into d, first term, minus n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we can see in the both, this is one term, this is another term, n by 2 is common, so we can take n by 2 outside, n by 2 is common. The first term, what is remaining? 4a plus, we can multiply inside, so 4a plus 2 into 2n, 4n minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into d. Now what is the sign? Minus. Here 2a plus n minus 1 into d is common. When minus goes inside, plus will become minus. So minus 2a minus n minus 1 into d. Now this is equal to n by 2 into, now see, 4a minus 2a is equal to 2a. Now here this term is d term, this is also d term, so we can take the d as common. Here first, what is remaining? 4n minus 2, here minus n minus 1, bring this minus inside, minus n plus 1. So here also d, here also d, so we have taken d outside, 4n minus 2 minus n minus 1 will become minus n plus 1. Now simplify, n by 2 into 2a plus 4n minus n is equal to 3n, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into d. So this is S2 minus S1. Now look at 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. But what we have to prove? This S2 minus S1 into 3 is equal to S3. In S3, here 3n, outside 3n, but here inside 3n we have arrived, but outside only 3, so we have to multiply 3. So when you multiply 3 into S2 minus S1, this 3 into n, 3n by 2 will come. Inside already it's look like S3n, so 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Now see, this is S3, already we have written, S3 is equal to S3n, which is equal to 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, therefore this is equal to S3. So 3 into S2 minus S1 is equal to S3. That we have to prove, we have proved. So very simple and important example question. The sum of first n, 2n, 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2, S3 respectively. That means sum of first n term is S1, sum of first 2n term is S2, sum of first 3n term is S3. Then we have to prove S3 is equal to 3 times S2 minus S1. So first you got right, what is S1, what is S2, what is S3. S1 means n, S2 means 2n, S3 means 3n, 3. So first one, take the right hand side, what is given in the bracket. So S2 minus S1 is equal to, S2 means 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. S1 means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to first multiply 2 inside and take n by 2 outside. Multiply 2 inside and take n by 2 outside. So n by 2 into 4a plus 2n minus 1, 4n minus 2 into d ஆயிடும். So n by 2 உள்ள எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா இது அப்படியே உள்ள வந்துரும். Next minus உள்ள போகும்போது plus minus ஆயிடும், minus plus ஆயிடும். Then we have to subtract a term and d term. இப்போ a term subtract பண்ணா 2a, d term subtract பண்ணும்போது இந்த minus உள்ள போயிடுச்சுன்னா plus minus ஆயிடும், minus plus ஆயிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் 4n ல என்ன போயிடுச்சுன்னா 3n, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. உள்ள 3n வந்துருச்சு, வெளியில n தான் இருக்கு. So when you multiply 3, வெளியிலையும் 3n வந்துரும். So this is S3. So we have proved. It's very important question. They will ask this question often in the examination. So now the exercise question. Exercise 2.6, question number 5. The same model we have discussed in question. The 104th term and 4th term of an APR 125 and 0. Find the sum of the first 35 terms. The exam question we have studied a 13th term and sum of the first 13th term are given. Find the sum of our 21st terms, like that we have one question. Here 2 terms are given, we are going to find the sum. So we can work out this question. Terms are given, we can write a plus 103d is equal to 125, a plus 3d is equal to 0. Like that we can find a and d, then we can find sum of first 35 terms.